Welcome to our third lecture. Again, we are looking at compound interest. This is under time value of money. So we want to look at a situation where interest is compounded more than 2 times. It could be compounded twice in a year. It could be compounded quarterly. It could be compounded monthly. How are you going to solve? How do you go about when you are given such a situation? So now, let us look at this example that is on the board. Okay. We have our example here on the board. It says, John Botta invested 14,600 in a mutual fund account which pays interest of 15% compounded twice in a year, meaning 2 times. How much will Mr. Botta receive after 5 years? Okay, let us see how we are going to. The P according to the question is 14,000. Okay? And the R, the rate, is 15,000 from the question. The N is 2. The interest is compounded 2 times in a year. That's the 2. The T shows the time period. The period in which this amount that Mr. Botta invested will be paid back to him in full. So what we are going to do now, we are going to solve. So in this case, the principal, the amount that he invested was 14,600, which is this one. 14,600. Open bracket, we have 1. Then we have the rate. The rate is 15%. So this 15%, if you divide 15 by 100, it will give you 0.15. So we are going to get this one. 0.15. Close our bracket. Then we have the N there. The N is 2 here. Okay? So we have 2, which shows the number of times when interest will be compounded. Then the 5 here, the T there is 5. 5 years. It shows the time when this investment will be due or it will mature. So it will be times 5 there. Okay? We proceed. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to work out this one. So it will be 14,600 kwacha. In bracket, we are going to add 1 plus 0.15. So we shall have 1.15. Then here we have 2 times 5. Okay? So which means we are going to have our 10 there. So the way it is now, in this case, it is showing you, don't make a mistake of multiplying 1.15 times 10. No, it will be wrong. What you do, you have to raise this one to the power of 10. So you raise this one to the power of 10. So in this case, I have 1.15 raised to power 10. My answer will be 10. So raised to power 10. My calculator is showing 4.4 0.0455. Okay, then close your bracket. So now we can multiply. We are going to multiply 14,600 times 4.0455. So I'm working with my calculator here. Okay, so the answer that we are going to get is alright. So what does this mean? What it means is that Mr. Bota invested a 14,000 kwacha. But this 14,000 was compounded twice in a year for a period of 5 years. Okay? So this is what we did, and we came here. We got 14.04511455. Then we multiplied the two. So at the end of 5 years, Mr. Bota will receive 59,065 kwacha 14 ngwe. So this is the money that Mr. Bota will receive, okay, after the period, after the maturity of 5 years, the period that he had invested his money on. So it is as simple as this. So the key thing is the time and the number of times when the interest is compounded. It is as simple as you have seen. So next time we shall now look at the present values and the present and the future values. Like I said earlier on, if any question, any comment, please comment below. Okay, comment below so that I will be able to respond. If at all is a question, I will be able to respond to your questions. May God bless you.